Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a beautiful set of black blinged out nails. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this regular polish by La Palm in the color Little Black Dress. So it's just a regular black polish. And I'm going to do that on all her fingers. And the little brush that I'm using to clean around the cuticle area is a gel brush that I just use. You can use any little brush that you want. You just dip it in acetone and just clean around the cuticle area, and you want to do that while the polish is still wet so it come off really easily. Alrighty, and she also wanted the bottom of her nails red, so I'm gonna go in with this red polish by La Palm, and it is a gel polish, so it's the color Dragon Fire, and we're gonna do this on all her nails. So you want to make sure that you clean the bottom of her nail before you do this. You want to remove any dust that's under there and then go in and polish. And then whenever you go to cure the nails, you just want to put the hand in there upside down to where the bottom of the nail is facing the little light bulbs inside the light. And you want to cure those for about 30 to 60 seconds depending on if they put their hand all the way in there or not. So make sure you check that. So once again, this is the color Dragon Fire by La Palm, and it is a gel polish. And you can also use a regular polish, but I just felt like it would last longer if we did gel, because I know that I like to dig under my nails. I hate having stuff under my nails, so I figured that if she would dig under her nails, she would take some of that polish off, which is why I decided to go with gel. So I did do 2 coats of that red polish, and then I'm also going to go back in and do a top coat as well. And remember, you want to make sure that they turn their hand upside down so that polish would dry really good. And I also had to make sure I felt it because it kind of still looked wet, so you want to make sure you want to feel the bottom just to make sure it's cure all the way, because it's a little bit hard to put your hands in there upside down. So now I'm gonna go in with my black rhinestones, and I'm using my wax pencil and my Mia's Secret gel resin, and we're gonna do that on her pinky, her ring finger, and her middle finger. We're just gonna do all black studs. And I also like to go back, as you can see, and kind of outline the rhinestones with the glue just to make sure they're securely on the nail. So once again, I just alternate from size to size. I'm using my SS6 and SS12 black rhinestones, and you just basically want to apply them like a puzzle. You just want to fill in the gaps with the little ones, and just like I said, alternate from size to size. And once again, I'm using my Mia's Secret gel resin, and I'm using my wax pencil. Alrighty, so now I'm just gonna draw a couple of little money signs. I'm using my Broadway nail art paint. You can find these at your local Dollar General. They're only $1, and I'm just using a white. And on the next nail, I'm gonna use my nail art brush because it was a little bit hard to do it with this one since it's longer, as you can see. So on the next nail, I am gonna use my nail art brush, and I'm gonna be using a white regular nail polish to do this same design. Alrighty, and for the thumb, we're gonna do a sugar effect with the black glitter. So I'm doing a gel polish on this one, and it's the same little black dress. It's just the gel polish, and I'm gonna sprinkle the glitter on the nail while the polish is still wet, and then we're gonna cure it for about 60 seconds just to make sure that the gel cures all the way through. Okay, and same thing for the other thumb. We're doing the black gel polish in the color Little Black Dress, and while it's still wet, you want to sprinkle the glitter over it, and this is just a black glitter, and you just want to dust it off and put it under the light for 60 seconds to make sure that it dries all the way through. Alrighty, so this is the part where I go back and use my nail art brush instead. So I'm using Pure White by La Palm, and it is a regular polish, and I'm just going through and drawing all my S's first, and then I'm gonna go back in and draw the little lines. So as you can see, since the brush is a little bit shorter, it was a little bit easier for me to do the lines. So if this works for you, then good. If it doesn't, then you could always try the longer brush. Alrighty, so we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna stud out the pinky, the middle finger, and the ring finger with the black rhinestones, and I am using my SS6 and SS12 as well as my wax pencil and my Mia Secret gel resin. Alrighty, so while that glue dries, I'm going to go ahead and apply my gel top coat on the bottom of the nails. And I am using my IBD gel polish or top coat, and it is a non-cleanse, so I don't have to go back and wipe anything off. And now I'm going to go in with my top coat, and I'm going to just seal around the edges of the nail just to make sure that the rhinestones are secure on the nail. Alrighty, so this is the final look. They turned out so pretty. They're so shiny, and I love the red bottoms. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos to come.